In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Miro. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Miro, learning to effectively crop images is a useful skill that can help you customize and tailor your visual content with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to have your image handy on the Miro board. Once that's ready, go ahead and select the image by simply clicking on it. You'll notice that the image is highlighted with a border, letting you know that it's actively selected. This is your cue that any action you take next will apply to that image. Now that you have your image selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Look for the crop icon. It's usually represented by overlapping squares or a pair of scissors. You can also find this option in the right-click context menu. By clicking on this icon, you're enabling the crop tool, which allows you to adjust the visible area of your image. With the crop tool active, you'll see a box surrounding your image. This is where you can finesse your selection to get it just right. Simply click and drag any edge or corner of this box to resize the crop area to your liking. It's quite intuitive. Dragging a corner will allow you to keep the same proportions of your image, while pulling on a side edge lets you adjust the image to a more customized frame. Take your time here to perfect your crop according to your needs. Once you feel satisfied with the crop, you have a couple of options to finalize it. You can press the Enter key on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the image. Either action will apply the crop and remove the unwanted parts of your image from view, leaving you with the piece that suits your project best. But don't worry if you change your mind after cropping. One of the great features in Miro is the ability to revert to the original image size even after you've applied changes. Simply double-click the cropped image, and you'll be able to expand the selection or return the image to its full, initial size. This handy feature ensures that you don't lose any part of your image and keeps your workflow flexible. So there you have it, a quick and easy method to crop images in Miro. I hope this tutorial helps enhance your creative projects, giving you the tools to tailor images precisely to your requirements. As you continue to experiment with your visuals, this cropping technique will surely prove to be a valuable asset in your design toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!